This girl's cats always avoided drinking water, and it really bothered her. Then one day, she secretly saw one of her cats drinking water from the toilet. That's when she got a smart idea. She bought them an expensive water fountain. At first, everything worked fine. But within a few days, the cats got bored of it. So she tried copying the toilet idea and made a bowl with a similar shape. But the cats kept getting stuck in it again and again. Finally, she came up with another clever solution. She placed a transparent bowl on top of a fish tank. Now the cats happily drink water from it. Because